Yo, yeda mu nyina se me base ya na se bobobo boso e na se maba e de ama amansan nyina. Me na me wofa ene akrobeto a mapone ne hwene kakra edidi medwuma. Ni nyansa hwene a chese me ankasa me wofa akrobeto watese atenne e wo wiase afa na nyina wono ne hwene a ye nyansa ahyemu ma no. Eno na mapone bi maje kakra a me di me nyansa dwuma na ene no Debia yake se ahojo special interview na debia any nipa yenya no anase personality ayenya ne wo ha na ne we nipa titru waba show isuda na enso ne debia ne ensem a yeka ho asem enenso ye ba beka ensem polo ene ensem tele na ye beka no wo ha yenko ana yentwa ye homra ye ba ye behu ye guest no. Yama makwa babium eba na chese mua mohwe oba ahofefo teme nchen a enye obi ase awoya ampaw obi anim no awoya enen so yama makwa ba de ba ahodwe TV so
yeah
you amanfo nyina se wo ye sini maami ya feel pa na ede ba asem na wo ede ka kire wo ma ene o fans nyina ansa dwumadie ne kra ya to aso
asem kakra meka ne se say eba Tafu TV ne ahodwo TV a se ya na nipa ehunu me wo so a ya no mfo se bia problem bi ho menya a couple of calls bi na they say we die sound ne nya adwuma bi ente sa ada enra kwa na meka kire Batman ne crew se enye kwa na bobo ye be ko 1000 e be sa bom because meka e ba bia bobo de mi free ba say nyuma na doso time bia bobo be from adwuma bia na bia mo set so ba bi mi so me free no so break adwuma ntinya se bia asem bi wo ho ana se bia ntokwa bi wo ho ana se bia ntawantawa bi ase yentem enu ntina bia mu hu me wa hoju TV ana se Tafu TV na mo se mu hu old people nna na ye bo ho ko wo ho ba me dem be flash ba ko bo ma hu mu bi eye schedules na ye conflicting but afia ye be si me die enya kura na one day bi die metwa ye yesi ho na week na 2 weeks bia ma be adwuma ma me director nti asem bi ene ho me da mo se
ya me nshira bebra we ya awoya oko interview ewo Zion Felix eho eno na medican e de free ho na ensensem bi ebobo bai aye kire se wodi emma sudwa enkola nketenkete anase enkola yesisu emma yesisu no eno na wodi masikafo anase hook up aye kanono sa adwuma no na sese wuye edididie nokore be no
nokore bi anim na me hu ne se eye misunderstanding and misquote anything na say le way adwuma bi koko season na role I me play wo me the role of ashawo mama and madam makra emariwa begu village na me de omo ye adwuma. That is the role I was playing in Cocoa season. So Zion Felix came to block that particular production. So before the interview he was asking me a question, say right now the way you are hooking girls up on the set, is it the way you are? And I was like, hook up ne pimp no e bada ben mo ya manem asa hook up ne pimp na ye hu na ye first ne ye friend hook up ne ye friend say bia ma promote way and ma connect way am obi e bia ma promotion and ma connection and if free say me see so me ne mema na edi agora mo anuanom mema mo na mfo mema and at time bia so me crowd puller say bia na mo girls bia na omo ye around me enti eno say bia me nua be ma bi ana say madam fo be ma bi hu madam fo ba bi no ka say awo bia madam fo be ana wo be die ne hu afo fa ne ma me a na me de ne ma na eno nche say me hooking pakro up ana say bia ma pimpe the girl out to a guy e ya de wo ho dada and a member no sunim say me you good me a feeling sister say na me connecting na me promoting no ka say awe na ejibibi kakra eto nsuo no ma eno nche say e adwuma me. That was the whole thing.
Not just said you see cano ye misquote said you all can in a real life for no would your ba ama bema da sebia ubi so pewe na wa hooking no anasa would na ma ubi a jiskada
director and na make say idea e wo hwa ye dada me see so from St. Monica's time to IMS de bia me wona mfo ma me ne mema so na di agro nti awo wadan fo ye ho ye me fe na e bia ye introduction fa bia connect me and say promote me na me de nema be ma na be man so feel say me feeling sister eni awo e bia de a wa ye mani asoje kakra ogrisi me palms a e no nche say ma pimp out the girl to a man or anase me hook up a lady to a man. Yes, I kind of connection na promotion. Say Ghana for ma we ye hu say wadanfo be ma bi kra pe hu ni pe bia na o introduce no kwa na ayese ase o hook ni up. And so enter from age immemorial and nam ni pastor ni pe hu ni pa. You definitely introduce your friend, a lady friend, to your male friend. I see nothing wrong with that. And if the person appreciates you, I see nothing wrong with that. And when you hook up and happen.
So because we are bass and a manfo be a can say, be said, we see where Jaya warrior. Na our Jay no muno, a year day now, dear. So would him was Sehoa, and I say, Namhoa, what your own home mountain. Now, fade ye, where Jaya warrior, now, Mumuno Tim Pema will be, now Peso Bawari.
Director. Anyem bia o fitin me san be 2 years ni oh boy da me say my focus is on my career me ma hu hia for companionship ni ade but I've not had a very nice experience with guys ti me say me focus e wo my warrior so be ne so nche say e bia obi hu obi na me hu ni pep na o so open na me ntime mfa ne man e bi kwa no de okwa e be ko yi ama no ana warrior bi bebe ma de ba ko ne be gya warrior no ho. Even my warrior say me cry no captions by na see me kunu shallow minded. Oh, I know so in misunderstanding me. There's a difference between narrow mindedness and a shallow mindedness. Obi a narrow minded da e bia baby a ye wo no na ye titi ni free no. The ideas and the principles na go dear e different. Me I'm an open minded person. But obi a narrow minded no with tuition and also with communication and also with kasabino otimi bie na adwenem I accept oniema bi se wade a we ye kwa bia na tena na maintenance e no nche se enye but obi o ye shallow minded no for no any selfish reason nti asem bia beka bia esan se emwa ono nti the person refused to understand we make we say be me need me exatem me need na tem eye nchechemu na me chechemu eno amanfo DM no mu di matem ne ade sa hook up die kro bitime ba me Instagram we know DM me WhatsApp mama I want to be hooked up my lady say na me catch on some part me nya say adwuma ne na me yo ukura me nim wo me before say me connect you because na me nim oba ne suban nim be ma ne suban say me hook you apa emfa problem me mre me ana say emfa ne guase mre me enti miss quotes and misunderstanding.
Okay, now I would not make be so some of the social media gurus. Debia no more social media, mucha movie near there. They say Motti and Amuko who say will be ama conflicting, disheartening and comment to be a any healthier. I am feeling saying.
Oh, Bobo. You're also not new to social media backlash negative comments no. But me matra level social media will be cast me behame. Make negativity no kwa I realize is in Ghana and it sells. At the end of the day, those who know me know the real Awuya. They know say menya basa basa. Just that I'm principled, I'm loud. What I say, but menya basa basa. Inti say wo to social media now become me ho asem boni bia gu me ho finya. At the end of the day, it's me to prove to the me inner circle and to prove to people who know me that it's not true. So me I care less. I care less. The more you talk nasty or the more you talk ill about me, the more I use that disgrace to progress in life.
The more I use that disgrace to progress in life. Awuya Ampao, our actress, any treating commerce, see idea or social media baby, war gintri haha. Ache say, ubi able ni say Awuya. See idea. Last week I mean will be say Awuya. Now uhuku enkrofo no and then no chirichiri mama ubia atena yankoi yegusu ene no etwetwen enkomo Awuya se sia ya waba beye industry player a wo mu yi Tracey Boakye ono soso industry players a wo producer actress waba abepa Kennedy Japan achew ya nkase yiwura achew se nsem etwitwae no entwaye na enam Kennedy Japan so comment bi obema ye na ma wono so epa achew intine na meka bibi se achew pa no yes wa pacho na chopa we no wo hwe a ebekwa ko wie sen
Bobo ya kan memu ana say yen ye Ghanaian culture no sa akora wodi bim sen kora na untimi ne pani nya asem ama ye mu asem ne mfama wa akora ne da. So it's a step in the right direction. Tracey, I admire her for saying humility na unya ye kopa Kennedy achon, because at the end of the day no Kennedy a cheni bebre. So se sebi pen obi fum kuma usu mfum nwa. So no akora na I realize hunu say kasa bia ebia one Kennedy kasa na ntwa no pepa chewa. Ama respect akora no mo. Me from day one me akora me penasem. Tracey me hunu once pe ba me pa akora na sem. Obi, there are so many ways in killing a cat. And a papa no. Na sa ko mo ka na wasa, mo so papa no mo. Omo papa no to dan mo ma wo mo yi. Ewia se oyonko ya ade na se wa ma wani anye ama na. Awurade so ntimi nye bi ma. The end justifies the means. Se papa no to dan ma no. Ma also papa na won mo onso to dan bi ma we. What is the bruhaha about na papa no na this for na wan we na ma politicize ade no. We use to sabi, we the casual we use ni. Also ye ba also casual also use ni faje property. I admire her a lot. And you nyina na sabi casual yi. Omu use di nya de papa film. Ti what me use ni casual na say e ho de.
Na say casual no pa kira de pa bia e bibi tiem.
Na de pa bia bibi tiem. We use ni casual.
No casual. We tre say who cap no we are there. We a pimp lady. Oh wow. Ah we yampa. Why are there? Watch the wadwen ye da sin so se wan kire wadwen na chese mi ko bi nso man ka bidie na chese mfaso obi ani so still na ye da so e wo industry no mu se benisasari ono so e ye industry players as say wo Ejapa TV bia no DST multi TV bi na nse yo kokan sem bia ma ye yura Ebeneza adakwa yi adom obedome no a kire se wa hosti obi ama wagu ono adakwa yi adomanimu ase a wabedome no na saa adome no ono so ababo ntisi ni nyina so na wuhu ni se ewo nyina so se wadome no adome na sefo no ebe ye adwuma
eni nyina so because at the end of the day no fanse me mo YouTube channel bobo we your channel enti se me wa host me wo channel so a na bia makoka asem bia enya wo channel holder no na TV station owner and you hold responsible. At the end of the day, your producers are almost 30 questions and I say be omudi nipa ba show no so. Enti enya business na sorry ya na ode ne pe kofre obi so metina ho se be on super I can say Opambour. And me share program na akola ne de so no wan support Opambour. E yo bi na enya nasem e na oka. Ono oye hostess keke. The producer e na ama the program lineup. This is the program maybe any person messing eba ebi a questions say na bisa no ebi kwa na ono benefit ko nim Dominic no enti station no and as a producer no na this Dominic no eba show no benefit no e host but another twist so ene yan nim say hunhum wiase e wo ho e ka memen ko ade a benefit nkasa bi wani Opambour atem ono de oye na adwuma. But as I say, and I suffer for maba, so mo dear radin a year juma. Say omo dear radin a year juma. They deal in spirituality. Mimi to me fee nye. Se kra ebia for say bo me ho. Me nye ya kra my ye. Nti ka me ya ka benis mpempeni fo. Eni nyina so ma me. But why penny na say hu nipa ne de. Ka benis mpempeni fo. Na nka omo kopa na chew. Hwe na we ni enamfofo achi. Enamfo no be ni yoduum. Minka se BBC se si anamfo ni nyina wo desert sebi oye pani so che no o se wa fom no pa no twa no Tracey aye bi onso kopa chew it won't kill her.
I say na ye ka BBC akomfo ni akomfo etimi dani dua
oh yeah
we nso di akwakọ ye station ye software station Ejapa no ye Boakye prayer camp ya ye Boakye
Pentecost
yeah oye da Bismarck na ono nso akoye Ebeneza na akwakoye won say asofo mienu a ese akoto challenge nti wonya sure say anase wuni adwen kire bi say software betumi adane asem no anase duabo no
papa to be on the safer side Benis onyo no na brabo ho challenge no between two spiritual people ono na ni we hene ono anka so na wiase no ebia hoban bokura no oni bi. So what I say, but I'm also throwing a word of advice to Opambour. Opambour, you are a senior pastor. You are a senior man of God. There are some things, there are some utterances, sir. Opambour, I'm begging you in the name of God we all serve. It doesn't have to come out of your mouth. Maybe can maybe me do me na emfa. No kure na meka. Oh, yeah, papa penny moon. You may be wa. And your fair and some fata send your mini papa, obedi diatem, Sabuma, make chamony one, why about all or bad that what you catch your bass say, or no the suffocate one, then name say trophy. So, or ba who nyai. Now, one I would one who be now corner. Maybe a silly phone call on a day. May my papa, who come ma. No one call me and what coming. No one come pa, and as uncle and me and now, so me omubuade pa wo beka so bi nwan no cameraman fo na ne omudano wan ka se usisini fo nyan te wo so fo wonim se trophy me so meka ho usisini fo ma te me so obeka me se mo munim eno me ya e wo sa so fo kora kan me so medo me ho because kan ye wan ka se beni se usisini fo ma cameraman fo na ne yeda sabi some of us are respected, very respectable, very distinguished. So what you say? Now ka sanse hu no se kakra Opambour de be water flint. Who be dit ni for matem. Hey, krachi hu mi adwane ma sha won so. Hu mi adwane what? Opambour de menini ni asa. Onse we say no. Nya Opambour kwa na ne hu eye mahi pa sa akwa na oyiyi hu no. Hu mi a wasum teta.
Na o de susuji hu di awo.
There be papa.
Because you say bigger question so aba abonten ono so sa so chief na ono so wa be jabe enye easy.
Me die. All can one kasa beni so sisini for ma inte me kan wa inclusive. Me twese ni. Inti baby kura
kan o sisini for ma enye asumasi na didi mu rough.
Inti the fact say o ka sisini for ma na me so abeka me. Me say me see me wo industry me hu cameraman bi asabi on mother. Inti me no why ye me pa inti bi me wa me right say me ye na me to show say me first lab wam ne apata. Me win fight inti me nye me foko.
Na je say wo wadwe nyina ne say ahyase na hu ne na e bia wo nam na chi
na wam ne apata. Me win fight.
Na Opambour bedumi o. Onu de dumi wo ya.
On say make us Opambour no. On say make Opambour asem no. Me kind of with respect. So or you senior man of God. Maybe when you can say.
Say the boss so ya eni say onu so gina chire se chinchina.
Jimmy taba ne ho sa. Who Jimmy ho taba ho sa. At the end of the day one ya oba na da wachi. Wo kura no nya guy bia, unim guys aye ye share wo mu. Hey, very accredited men, very distinguished, very well made men. I will be down why when nim say trophy. Say sinifo ma cameraman for na no moda. Chief na me dem say hu me adwan hu wo so teta wo be di matam me di watam bi hu mu hu am so mu me yara papa me say you krasini kam no mienu nke de be yim pa.
Wow. Me patira wo ya ampa na ne yetwetwe nkomo on kasa asebida moma yen call spade for a speed or space the and maka moma yen tena se na yen hu se de nneoma ne siko no kranie bobobobo so me matena fidie so makasa emfie be ye de and mu nyina mu gimidi se de ensemne ko ene se de emu asia ye den no ba bia emu ayeden ba bia emu ayeden okwa ha ye se nanagrada ene Opambour asofo ne chete we si we ase kankan sabi sorry say me kasa we nsu say we sabi say be man kra nya adwuma no kra nie etu awoyan kasa say bi da but enna awoye ani abra o kasa gidigidi sare de na say ayensem pi awo before say me free Ebenezer mode ne so no me pese wo kire wadwen kakra efa ono ne nanagrada nkasa de no say eyentokwa ewo nyina so ayewo say omumienu ko ana na say wo se ba ku mia na no se de be ya ntokwa ne to betwa
pape me shada nim ntokwa na hyase ba nye be manye ho na ekotu no fo omuto mane omo ho ara mo bra no majai uka che se ba se wonyai na uka che be ma se wonyai obi a feel so wode no ho nti mo am wo omo nche ne mo na mo nya steady eba o mie no mo ye hunhum ye kan say akuku damo we de fa fom e be we de be fa so we de fa so be we de be fa fom na wo na wo tare nche na wo kan sam fon ne eno na me ye me he no so what I say eno na me eye me he no so me Send Ebenezer no cran one, shut that cran cast me a cry about the Bennett no start to send you tired chileno. Says in for ma. Oh, until mommy and you're very careful, but I know you're fine, pa. Won't talk about me to me, couldn't do it any day. But I don't have to go overboard. Oh, if you are so pretty, baby, I'll be before. I don't have to go overboard. Now, you have to cry your JDA.
Because we been so crabby to me about you say ana cano me at all. So say one so sorry no mukra no for be da say oh because industry no we then sebu yeah SMP
time this happenings is putting Ghana in ridicule in the whole world. Ghana for parliament MP Uncle Farmer and could you be at ma? I saw for no conform to maniomo. Ah, well, as some starting me, I don't know the root of the problem. But all I will say is, Yanya woman, Sepin yabo, your baby and wajay.
Adichia ye babe to a banana me can say sa and to quanto quaseminia de debate me affected about one in any way biana.
About one day, I believe by this time do be a nidaho. And ya dear, Opipema. Sebi party bia or join it, and any fear issue be akofan tokwaba. Se corona ye ba ye, wa wo se wo ye dwe wan suan wo brasia. Na minim bibi e bebe wiase bema wa wo so ye dwe no, suan wo brasia. To me there, I have faith in the system. We will have a smooth electioneering process. En fansu so bi ama, ntokwa bi ama, michidi.
Oh, election. Yeah, bompa Ghana de pasumdue. De bia no so asumdue e wo Ghana. Ye di asumdue so ehene. Wada Roma nanka mempese mekọ question ya mi bisa we but san say wabe ye obi a ben le win de na wo se mi bisa o. And ntokwa sembi e ba le win eni kwakuma anu ntem. Na yenkotie mu no mo kire se ase omo mienu nyina o maheda. Ye hype bi ye just say omo ye wona wo ben le win. Aye no cresa say le win sensem eni kwakuma anu no eye serious said ye hunu na.
Me ase me kwa mbisa le wen say I na adwuma ye kwaku ni so so ofre kwaku wa ama. Ba kwaku so be chem so friendly interview wa ama eno square. But me I had a little problem with Bella Samuel's utterances. Me I always call a spade a spade. Nana yaw I'll call Nana yaw a brother. Bill more or less a brother to me. O se kwaya le wen fa so frɛ no no na enye ne kwan so no obi sa le wen script no na script some no le wen entime amma no asem papa bia. That is where I see my brother as a hypocrite. Ask me why. For the past 4 or 5 years adwuma ye okumasi na almost 90% are not scripted. The bill person check me say 4 or 5 years in adwuma wa ye bia ye manuscript na. And moreover, Lewin ya kola. Se Lewin frɛ wo no se empo kasa na ono kasa no na ho ntia. Wo as penin de na ese we. Ho na na wa draw kwadwo attention to. Kasa ono kasa e bia kwadwo, this is not done this way. The right way to do this is this and that. Ahono wa ma Lewin na ehunu se fra wo frɛ ye no wa amfa ne kwan so na frɛ wo. Script some no so Batman ya order eti adwuma yi. One wo bi la ye adwuma over 10 ani na ya ma script. Enti now person o chese ya ma script no. When was the last time I bill ye adwuma o script? That is where my brother was being a hypocrite. Oh, nipa na frɛ. Ono wan kasa ye. Fa ne say, okura de wo akokoko school nim de wo soro. Kwadwo say ni school sam no wo form kakra nti onnim no oso na happen e bia kwadwo kwaya afa so frame ana me kasa ye na bia ye nya sa next time ye ni say dem post script mpo woni bi mpa me ba me be ye den mu wi makase kasem show him the right way wan kahwe osi o me dwene ho meba na ma frɛ on program so ho na okogu kwadwo ani mase no ye nya ne sa say papa se me no wo issues kra na me amint me no nkasa me fro bi oben na wakasa me fa nkotena TV so enhoro ye ntoma efin ewo bedwam. It's not nice. It's a one de Bella Samuel anya de na ya wa anya de
na che say o kan wo kan nyina no hu ni say Lewin say ye kwakuma nu say ye Bella Samuel say ye ofa anase me yankasa me ofa Roberto no Lewin in default ana won fum wo ba bia.
We say everybody is fallible. Everybody is fallible. Men ka say Lorraine otsene. But me point a me gina so ne say. Say bill say or script is nya ye adwuma nyina ye say ye nya professional na. Sa program na so na Vivian J. Lawrence also. Na Mercy say do also. Say they were part of the production. So was Bill trying to tell them say they weren't professional because they weren't scripted? Enti ehon what prevented Bill from telling Kojo or showing Kojo the right way? Oh, na e better say industry players ye nya sama. Mommy en frefe ye ho. And as ye fan to be a ben ye nya kan asem that say we kwotena radio so. Na we di atem, we kwotena TV so we di atem. Hwe bobo. No mo say kunkum bag ya ne Indian soaps and Mexican soaps and e be gu ye dwuma. Ya na egu ye dwuma. It got to a time producer the young producer to radio and TV so sopano. Director the young director to radio and TV so sopano. Actor and actress the young actor and actress to radio and TV so e dinner tem. Nti yanka sa ne yeni mo nyam no na ayaha. Ye ho no ye didi ye ho atema ahoro ye ne ma film bi wa bonte ma in the Ghanaian population and our public ne yeni ma ayaha. Enu ntina bibi foforo ba ye be take over no. Na nka first na nka ye wo sa acclaim ne clout na. Kabe den woni enu monyam ofia no bi fra bonse be ka fo nkere wo. Awa enu monyam ofia obetimi fra bonse be ka fo nkere. Debi. Ti yanka sa ne ya ma ye nim ayaha. Ena ma omuso be take over no. But the industry is still reviving.
Asemo. I say o kan we na me pese me bisa we see akase bibi revive ya na che say eni yie mu ne mpompon so na nenam. Ade enema na ema wo hu say movie industry no resurrect epiem anase revive bi.
Baba, one mistake we did ne say we as an industry we didn't move with the times. Nanka technology ne buy no na yesanke pe streaming service bi you betimi amakati ye movies any ye nyuma online. So what I say, but we didn't move with the time. Say no online obi aye bibia. We started with YouTube. Say no God being so good, you could see your programs. So I have talked to like so many people they are planning on shooting movies and putting the same good quality movies on their individual channels. So when I say the movie industry is revamping or reviving, is because of one or two interactions be many industry players be nya obi awo adwempa ani so ade hu na epese adwuma no say movie kwa na obi twa ne kama ontimi premiere kwa na ono aya no de ato ne channel so kama na still adwuma na na ye no say me time kuma wood sorry gidi am call relegation and na omo say adwuma ni ho and so that say dey bia me adwuma nti dey che say guama me nguma me dey nguma because dey bia me kwa adwuma
because ya na me wanwa say ebi mo say yen twasini na nko kejiti ya nko ade sini egu mente Ghana fo ebi no mo ase always bia ya na meka awo na YouTube ama na nkade ende ya ma awo yensempio awo wadaroma baby a mepese me de wo mu kakra na wo de ye de yedwuma de ko na wie ye FunnyFace one ne girlfriend Vanessa me pa cho ka be kan bibi kakra fa ho wa ba be yi obi a unima ware mu nsam na waware pen agya ne de wo experience kese ubetimi aka bibi kakra e de afa ho amaye wadaroma e wo de esi ye ne ho nyina.
FunnyFace is a twat. FunnyFace is a twat. But me who say FunnyFace needs psychiatric evaluation. Something is not right in his mind. Either he's going through extreme depression, and that's all a man for bipolar nibi. Even if they say WhatsApp ni reach you, what be jina TV so online, what I say social media so a disgraced girl you kwa. It's a FunnyFace or expect to say anyway no the better na. And no na message who say he wasn't in his right senses. And oyeden or yes I didn't. But e nipa no su e na bibi eba wakwema wo de ye me first na me no monsa no nim say me pentokwa me ne eden ti me no monsa na ntokwa no ye ne na yekese. So when I say FunnyFace is a twat e ni sunu ndada e sunu wo ho dada Jimmy kaka no Jimmy no atake advantage wo Jimmy no kan some phone e na say ne psychiatric problems psychosis so say depression so bipolar ama ade na yekese. But me no for the sake of incolani Vanessa enye hwe se FunnyFace di dwato ba nkola ne nti one ne nko terms na omo ntena mum no mo nhwe omo ma
awo omo ntena mum no mo nhwe omo ma waka ne yi na mum no se be ma be ba bonti no obeka se oba afa me ma be 60 chese abrewa na asa kokora teminchi beka se aduosia we ya hyewo onum wi ni ade wo hwa se omo ba back biem se omo ba betena entimi mfa nsunsanso bia emre omu mienu mu bia ana.
That is why initially I said FunnyFace is a twat. Yes or no se ode dwato akwa osesa ne nioma bi na of course psychiatric evaluation something is not right and na me hu ade chance he is really depressed or a man for bipolar no bi and as psychosis sebi enya bodamfo nya na awro mu hu e bi wo insanity pa wo mu pa o dress shepe ekone nwuma bante e hunu mental health e ade bi a man for bebre are having problems with their mental health but ye hunu and a facilities e wo Ghana no enya enough e be detect sa anyoma ntin bibia na afa netra. This is the time a FunnyFace ohia nipa wo no ho for a footsuo ene nipa be cycle na ni ade nti hwe ne be wo so ye to ate de hwe ne yanyi ni ama ne sa FunnyFace needs help. He needs help. Na nse me hwe about study key say when he peace work he be say le we ne kwakumenu na we wa we gya ni me bia no wo ye no na nse mfata na mse akoyi ni ma nkoyi sa
na wo hwe be ma bi sa or illustrate demonstrate exhibit sa behavior na kire se obi ana adwen mu ni ho no yese oba betena ne nchen bie mu ana unim se awo unsa wo ye oba ntina eniema bi wo ha na ye kan yie ne ya hwe pa se wo sister wo begjae se obi a atwene no aye bibie se die o se de na wo kan odi ne sesio no odi ne tia che se obi ohun it's like as is it that say me pese me ye bibi ma obi hu say yes minim ohun but serious FunnyFace asem no serious e was say kasafa hu
he needs psychiatric evaluation and counseling
me pacho wada Roma hwan na ususu say in a better position say ko mu betimi counsel FunnyFace amana ye and as a one group of we ben na hwa
I don't really know the circle he moves in. But on the circle na around no one for bia pe obi a nanim onyam okasa che na obeti na eyeso de no hospital na e check na dwenem say kwan kra no de no betu a our facilities no is not on par na say up to date pe South Africa baby mfa ne nko we na dwenem na counsel no with that na there I want Vanessa to take the husband back for the sake of the kids but so ben normal tabata no jimi no ho sa ade ne Vanessa is better off.
Sorry, I say nkolani suntino na problems bebre na edin sem bebre so neba. Intino me ba che ya ne awoya ampa na twetwen komo se mo hwe mosomfo kese ana se mo hwe mosomfo hwen kese a na che se eye bobobo na waje me so boso e me na mapone me wofa akrobeto ne hwene kakra ni nyansa hwene amedi di medwuma Matia tese ateni ewo wiase afa na nyina mene awoya movie actress kese pa ena etwetwen enkomo wa have experience pa chese ono no so wo experience wo niema bebre mu nti se ye adwenkyere afri ne ho a na chese ose efata se ye adwenkyere afri no awo before se ye ba beja wo no na meka bibi se wafa wo ho adwene se empo no o be ye sofumami ana bibi minim de mate ntina mi bisa sa asem no isi da say marriage counselor ana say bia motivational I don't know minim baby a wo ye we pa wo wada ro mama tin wo mframa mu etesa na
in Shanka Rade amanfo hu me say bia we ya na ne edi e bia say but me ka bia nkrofofa nti ya hwe ne Awurade be say be hwe say betimi counseling ni bia but me I believe in everything I believe in the going through the proper channels. If I should decide to be a counselor I want to do it the right way. Me copy knowledge wisdom about counseling me ko school my be a good counselor, one mentor me, so that I can come out as a very good counselor. Yes, I mean, Kasa and Kufuti, and now my mom who's a counselor, I beg can say, whom we know. I will go through the proper channel.
You to me cancer phones, Anna.
To a counselor, Papa Ben way. Made them in Sunameka.
I was the first now in Tessa. Say, Obi Bacasa, fa maybe a Nurobi and Abibi. Anna, because and son, Wajai, ye him so Wajai, but. See, we not sure say was so I should share dream to say FunnyFace dear because
I was a reason no. Me you be a me bunipa, but me sure nipa. I'll always call a spade a spade. Anyway, I so be all kind of crib be yes one ye. But me no me go so kind of cray. Minimum me first arrow si be a we minimum shit in Sarah the other my jai. Me man my energy drink and a cry me numbi. Nti manipa kan na mde to wa mekasa sa
biache nse o mu biache
di biache
ene na yare sa machino kai machino o yo biache unim e basa yo
papa
yiro
me I don't have sex, so I make love. I can sex nko ade a but I make love. I want to say sometimes it's not even about the actual penetration or the companionship. Only the pano bedam paso, my discussing my goals, my aspirations. Oh, near my mope wa brabum. Oh, sa rapport no. Camaraderie never bam and no my relationship yet dead than say actual sex pam. No, but I've still not got to my Mr. Right.
Yeah, woo. I see what we YouTube say the mema de abumu so pa na aden ade umpebiana omoba mimi nim se more omoba
I me my kobako amwame ti me second world war ne de e se kono mi ti me kona mi di nkonim ene kan se me kona mi dwane nti if I should start dating or I should get married again I want to meet my soulmate. Do you know my definition of love? Love, I define love as total commitment to an imperfect person. I am not perfect. The man I might meet is not perfect. But if the love is there,
matete won from mom say awo ya de wa ware jai entini bibie ni ho abema be ya na ni beso na ensensem bebre na wote me ka papa na bema beba na wote sent kra wo mfa ho ni botom so wuska ehye no e na wo hwehwe
bobo
eye no pressa
subani de hia personality su de hia but kwache de efe ye de sika na eye bobo ye YouTube ye ehia ska wo oba besia me an masa manim free from scratch mobo amma me bi e channel bobo to bia na ska betwa video kwa na eden je se me se na manfo aye adwuma ama me enti from kenken to kankan at least esa me fa be mo betimi support me adwuma anya se me so money conscious se me ma sika no override me common sense. The personality I'll take into account, the character I'll take into account, and of course the financial aspect too really counts. Tiano dear say say
we are piska hey nini pa beni
papa anya say time yere me ho ye adwuma no
and no suntina aye den se obetru so obi nana because me ma de nka omo ba pa omo good trank ma ye yi omo ayi piesa
boboy say curse akra obi se me nkofa
yes
and so me hwe the personality na bobo me de ba kora wo besere me fino ja camera chi wo besere me ti enye ne se entinye sika nko a hwe so obi ti wase a ho edekeke ya baby also pelsa edekeke and I say Sebi, when it comes to me I don't have sex, I make love. When it comes to love making na mwatimi ya communicate ba si wo yemi se ya na eye me de bem aso yemi se ya na eye me de na mwatimo ho asna mu make love bobo it's so sweet
what that room say oh can we I don't make love I don't make sex there enti e be apart from say wo can say e da ho didi nkomo no ni ade no wo secret bi a say emma you say nkomo na edu wo secret bi a wo secret bi a bi a emma no say
obi a wo kwan a le baby ye ne de
say na nsan mu wo mutunton vibrators ni ade nneoma
ye pentini as vibrator
entini so na wo so ntampe enu ntina say
say before say entini ni kwa be penetrate no na yese wa ye ye niema bia mamme no madehe dehewa na se ofiti nya asa sex pampan ne de ampa me twa so
and your friend zoom bia gombia alolo na kosa
baba
Sruta gombia oh wow oh yeah
part of life
and the end of enti a wo sisi ano o level no say o che o kɔ ne san esi a wo over 40.
Yes, I'll be 41 January.
Enti no wada Roma. So o can say unya hu bi so.
Oh, but ayana you wouldn't get a perfect man. Oh, my requirements kakra bia. Fancy bia be 6 out of 10 kra na. I'll roll with you. So what I say. Ni nane say I would not leave my career for marriage. Obe support me juma. That is my priority, the most important thing. So me na say me who say me worry and say if I'm dating seriously. Me cut me hours be to suit my relationship, but I wouldn't leave the career totally for a man. No. It won't happen again. Wow. And I'll never advise any woman to put her career on hold for a marriage or a man. No.
Awo ya betwa mre bia kase obe worry celebrity ana awo ye be ma.
Me pa cho debi. Ade. Me kwa ya me pe me ma loki. Ejani jenhia. Me personal idea. Me pe industry player be and I say me pe obi in the media and I say in the arts. No. What
that remind you bentia? Say obetimi achire mu kakra ansa ye jai
ya close. Sheda nye bibia. I've seen successful marriages in the arts and in the industry and in the media. But for me, no, I don't want to date anybody in the industry. It's not for me. It's me pe me mema loki kura. Papa no te baby. Na me ye adwuma kwa amakoso so me papa so makogye no so ma ride no amanadua ne pedi ma shawa no am massage no the hot oil afefa ne baby asisi no so
eno no so nyina na me kai on takra on takra wo kwa no wayi ama na de afa wi na de nese ne na wo ya opede ye de toto ano na se eda no sa obehu ana kotomkuro
say interview na aye me ana se ye
ame pata we ya ne twetwe nkomo ya da mu nyina se awo ya ampao we no eye nkomo twetwe eye nkomo didie ahojo special interview obia temi baso obia said de minua be makwakum anu obo ne homodin a okan ye no saa na ahojo nso so ye no wa ha yen ka se we anase we ne temi ba ha oba na wo asem bi kanko ade a obetimi ene ye aye aduma bobobo no waje me so boso me na maponi akrobeto hwene a medi edi meduma me wofa no no last word
Bobo, this is about 4th or 5th time why me interview say me interview bia na madwene wo insanom so I have been an alcoholic before, so I always want to reach out to the alcoholics who want to better their life.
Be kra nka me pese oka year no we say oka say before I bet me 1 week 2 months or way but 20 years.
I was a chronic alcoholic for 20 years. But God being so good, December na 7 years I've been sober. Panashe 1% could be calm another. Yes, minimum sanum. But start when I'm alcoholic, no. The family around me, the friends around me felt to say, me na me dem when me dem pen me pen makush bra bona. Mary Mensa. But now there was a deeper problem. And I said there was a deeper reason. And I want to reach out to everybody. Obi ofo say what ton sanum why sadriam a opese ojai in sanum na better no life no. They be am the number 2 dwa. Na numbers me di 2 dwa ya na warning da ho. Senyen sanum ho na obefrɛ me a papa frɛ me nkoye love bia. The power show. The number is 0277 395591 0277 395591 and bobo any nkrofobia daroma so me am on my YouTube channel Awaya TV on YouTube. Me Palava House series na be put on hold no Sunday ya continue Palava House Awaya TV uko Facebook Awaya obenyame and akọ Instagram so awo adepa number ne 0277 395591 alcoholic problem say ye physical say spiritual me was for me resource people ombetimi aboa amasa problem no free also afi so me den chia kese ema me brother Kofi Srebo and Kofi Amponsa Achem tafo de hye owo Canada me brai ono ne so masene ena me manager na neje waba Ghana kra owo Germany Hamburg ena masofo omo bo me chidom sof ma me Belinda ni kunu sofo Theophilus me nua be ma sofo Ernest ena me papa o time achi Reverend Tracey Ajiman owo etimetim medamu nyina mase. Love you all.
I love you all. Said you know, see, can no. When you come, Reverend Tree, hey, me ye with you, me am simple because Reverend Tree near the identity. I had the movie see. I will yani no at a tree and come. I hold you special interview ni. Yada munina say, Mama bye.